Hi. Good morning, Nana. Complex numbers, exercise 4.2, continuation. This type of problems, sometimes they will ask the 2 marks, sometimes they will ask the 4 marks. You have to find the locus of z. What is z is given? X plus iy. Then find the locus of z of the following. That means locus of z means you have to find the one curve. On that curve lies the complex number z. So same like locus, first year locus is a p, x comma, b, any point in the locus. In the locus, it is a point form, Powerman geometry. Now it is a complex number form. Z equal to x plus iy. Let z equal to x plus iy. If you write in the point form x comma y, be any point on the locus. On locus. What is given mod z value 2? Mod z means mod of x plus iy equal to 2. Modulus of x plus iy, what is the formula I have? Root of x square plus y square equal to 2. But locus of the equation is a equation, does not contain the radical powers. So squaring on both sides, that is x square plus y square equal to 2 square is 4. Is the locus of z. Is a locus of z. Copy it. Same model and next one. Let z equal to x plus iy be any point on locus. What is the given condition? Z minus 2 plus 3i equal to 4. What is z value have? X plus iy minus 2 plus 3i equal to 4. Together you can write x and 2, that is the modulus of x minus 2 plus in the imaginary term I common y plus 3 equal to 4. This is in the form of mod of x plus iy. What is the formula of the mod of x plus iy? Root of x square plus y square. So root of real part whole square x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to what is there? 4 is given. Mod of x plus iy means root of x square y plus y, squaring on both sides. So x minus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square equal to 16. Expand it, x square plus 4 minus 4x plus y square plus 9 plus 6y equal to 16. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 bring the right hand side. Then it becomes x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y equal to 16 minus 13 is 3. Therefore x square plus y square minus 4x plus 6y minus 3 equal to 0 is the locus of z. Okay, now coming to third bit. Mod of 2z minus 3 is given 7. What is the z you are taken? X plus iy be the locus of the z. Let z equal to x plus iy be any point on locus. Given condition 2z minus 3 equal to 7. That is the modulus of 2 times of x plus iy minus 3 equal to 7. You can write together real part 2x plus 2iy minus 3. So 2x minus 3 together you have to write plus 2iy equal to 7. Mod of x plus iy is root of x square plus y square. So root of 2x minus 3 whole square plus 2y whole square equal to 7. Squaring on both sides, that means 2x minus 3 whole square, 2y square means 4y square equal to 7 square 49. Expand it, 4x square plus 9 minus 2 to the 4 3 is 12x plus 4y square equal to 49. 9 bring the right hand side, we get 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x plus 9 minus 49 equal to 0. 9 minus 49 is minus 40. So 4x square plus 4y square minus 12x minus 40 equal to 0. What is the common number you have from the 4? 4 common. X square plus y square plus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. 4 bring the right hand side. So this is x square plus y square plus 3x, minus 3x minus 10 equal to 0. This is the locus of z. Copied. Coming to next question. Imaginary of z square equal to 4 is given. Then find the locus of z. Let z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus iy be any point in locus. Z square you have to find. That is x plus iy whole square. Expand it. X square plus I square y square plus 2ixy, that is x square, I square value minus 1 minus y square plus 2ixy. That is what is given. Imaginary part of z square is 4 is given. Imaginary of z square equal to 4. This is the real part. Quotient of y is the imaginary part. So 2 times of xy is the 4. Imaginary part of z square is 2 times of xy equal to 4. Xy equal to 2 2's of cancel. 2 will get. Is a locus of z. Locus of z. Okay, Nana? Copy it. Coming to what next? What is given fifth bit? Mod of z minus 2 equal 2 times of z minus 1. Z is the x plus iy common. That is a let z equal to x plus iy be any point on locus. What is the given condition here? Mod of z minus 2 equal to 2 times of mod z minus 1. Substitute in place of z. That is the mod of x plus iy minus 2 equal to 2 times of mod x plus iy minus 1. Real part you have to write together. Mod x minus 2 plus iy equal to 2 times of mod x minus 1 plus iy. Mod of x plus iy is root of x square plus y square. So real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square equal to 2 times of root of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Squaring on both sides. Root 2 square cancel. X minus 2 whole square plus y square. 2 square is the 4 times of x minus 1 whole square plus y square. What is a minus b whole square here? A square. 2 square means 4 minus 4x plus y square equal to 4 times of expand. This is the x square plus 1 minus 2x plus y square. So this is x square plus y square minus 4x plus 4 equal to 4. You can multiply inside. 4x square plus 4 minus 8x plus 4y square. Bring the right hand side. This whole left hand side whole term bring the right hand side. Plus 4 get cancelled. Then that becomes of 4x square. 4x square minus x square 3x square. 4y square minus y square 3y square. Minus 8x plus 4x equal to 0. Minus 8 plus 4 is minus 4x. So 3x square plus 3y square minus 4x equal to 0 is the locus of a z. Copy it. డౌట్స్ ఏమైనా ఉంటే కాల్ చేయండి అన్న. Locus of z. Yes, next question. Now one thing I am telling, locus of z all problems together I am explaining. అన్ని లోకస్ ఆఫ్ జెడ్ ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అన్నీ ఒకసారి ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేస్తున్నాను నా కాంప్లెక్స్ నెంబర్స్లో అన్ని మోడల్స్ అన్నీ చూడండి. ఆఫ్టర్ నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్ యూ కెన్ గో ద నెక్స్ట్ మోడల్. Whenever they ask the locus of z means you can take let z equal to x plus iy. Z equal to x plus iy be any point in locus. Point in locus. What is the condition is given? Z into z plus 2 is 3. What is the z value have? X plus iy into x plus iy plus 2 equal to 3. Multiply both x into x, x square plus x into iy, ixy plus x into 2, 2x, iy into x, ixy, I into I square, y square plus iy into 2, 2iy is 3. What is I square value have? Minus 1. So x square plus iy, xy, ixy plus ixy, 2ixy plus 2x minus y square plus 2iy equal to 3. 3 can be 3 plus I into 0. From these two terms, 2i common, x square minus y square plus 2x plus I into 2xy plus 2y equal to 3 plus I into 0. Two complex numbers are equal means corresponding both real parts and imaginary parts are equal. Comparing the real and imaginary. Let's say real part is x square minus y square plus 2x. Right side real part you have 3. Imaginary part is 2xy plus 2y. Right side imaginary part is 0. Okay, na? So locus of the z is we get 3 taken left hand side, x square minus y square plus 2x minus 3 equal to 0 is a one line, and one more 2 times of xy plus 2y equal to 0. Both the equations are satisfy the locus of z. Copy it. Next question, amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6i equal to pi by 2 is given. First, this z minus 2 by z minus 6i you have to convert in the form of a plus ib. So as usual step, let z equal to x plus iy be any point in locus. What is given? Z minus 2 by z minus 6i you have to find it. Converting into a plus ib form. Z means x plus iy minus 2 by x plus iy minus 6i. Real part together you have to write. So that is x minus 2 plus iy. In the denominator x plus, from this 2 I common, y minus 6. Rationalizing the denominator, that is x minus I into 6 y minus 6 by x minus I into y minus 6. You have to multiply both denominator a plus b into a minus b. Denominator value is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. That is a square minus b square, x square minus I square into y minus 6 whole square. Numerators you can multiply x into x minus 2 plus into minus minus I x minus 2 into y minus 6 plus iy into x xy plus into minus minus I square y into y minus 6. What is I square value? Minus 1. So this is the I square value have minus 1. So this is the x square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to x into x minus 2. From these two terms, plus I common, xy minus of x minus 2 into y minus 6. I square value minus 1 minus into minus plus y into y minus 6. real part together by denominator plus I into imaginary part by denominator. So we have to write together real part x into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 6 by denominator is x square plus y minus 6 whole square plus I into imaginary part you have xy minus x minus 2 into y minus 6. The value of x square plus y minus 6 whole square. Whenever where it is amplitude of the complex number is pi by 2. Amplitude of the complex number z equal to pi by 2 means amplitude means what? Tan inverse of imaginary part by real part. Tan inverse of imaginary part by real part equal to pi by 2. Tan bring the right answer, that is the imaginary part by a real part equal tan pi by 2. Tan pi by 2 means infinity. Infinity means something by 0. Cross multiplying, obviously we get real part is 0 and imaginary part should be greater than 0. Imaginary part should be greater than 0 and real part of the complex number is 0. So the given this is the value of z minus 2 by z minus 6i. The value is z minus 2 by z minus 6i value. This is the what is given amplitude of z minus 2 by z minus 6i equal to pi by 2. That means real part should be equal to 0 and imaginary part should be greater than 0. That implies real part of z minus 2 by z minus 6i equal to 0 and imaginary part of z minus 2 by z minus 6i should be greater than 0. So you have to take the real part. What is the real part in this one? Given real part is what? This is the real part you have. Equal to 0. That is x into x minus 2 plus y into y minus 6 by x square plus y minus 6 whole square equal to 0. And imaginary part, what is imaginary part you have? This total part. xy minus of x minus 2 into y minus 6 by x square plus y minus 6 whole square greater than 0. Denominator in the right hand side, x square minus 2x plus y square minus 6y equal to 0. X square plus y square minus 2x minus 6y equal to 0. And what is the condition here? xy minus of x minus 2 into y minus 6 greater than 0. Simplify denominator in the right hand side, 0 into something 0 will get. Simplify here, xy minus xy plus 2y plus 6y plus 12 minus 12 greater than 0. xy cancel obviously, that is a 6x. 6x plus 2y minus 12 should be greater than 0. This is the locus of z. Copy it. So finally we'll get this is the 3x plus y minus 6 greater than 0. 2 common, we get 3x plus y minus 6 greater than 0 will get. Copy it. Little bit important problem this model. Coming to next question, amplitude of z minus 1 is pi by 2 is given. Let z equal to x plus I by is the locus of z point in locus. You have to find z minus 1. Z minus 1 means x plus I by minus 1. Real part you can write together, x minus 1 plus I by. The given amplitude of z minus 1 equal to pi by 2. Amplitude of z minus z is a pi by 2 means z equal to pi by 2 means few minutes back I explained the last problem. Imaginary part equal to real part equal to 0. Real part of z equal to 0 and imaginary of z should be greater than 0. Amplitude of z pi by 2 means real part of z is 0 and imaginary part of z is greater than 0. So amplitude of z minus 1 equal to pi by 2 means real part of z minus 1 equal to 0 and imaginary part of z minus 1 should be greater than 0. What is the real part you have? X minus 1. So x minus 1 equal to 0 and imaginary part is y. Y should be greater than 0. This is the locus of z. You have to remember this is as a formula. Coming to fifth bit, locus of z. This question also they ask in the locus of z. So you can take let z equal to x plus iy be any point in locus. What is the given mod of z plus ai equal to mod of z minus ai. Z means x plus iy plus ai equal to mod of x plus iy minus ai. That is the mod of x plus, from this two I common, y plus a, x plus I common, y minus a. Mod of x plus iy means root of x square plus y square. So root of x square plus y plus a whole square equal to, this is the root of x square plus y minus a whole square. Squaring on both sides, we get x square, s plan a minus a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ay equal to x square plus y square plus a square minus 2ay plus x square cancel, y square cancel plus a square cancel minus 2ay taking left hand side, 4ay equal to 0. A is a constant other than 0, that implies y equal to 0 is the locus of z. Copy it. Coming to next question, find the locus of z if z minus I by z minus 1 is purely imaginary is given. You have to take the let z equal to x plus I by be any point in locus. You have to find the z minus I by z minus 1. Convert it into a plus ib form. What is z value you have? X plus iy minus I. Denominator x plus iy plus minus 1. So this is the x plus, from these two terms I common, y minus 1, x minus 1 plus iy. Rationalize the denominator, x minus 1 minus iy by x minus 1 minus iy. You have to multiply both. Denominator a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square, that is x minus 1 whole square minus I square y square, x into x into x minus 1 plus into minus I into xy plus into plus I into y minus 1 into x minus 1 Plus into minus minus I square y into y minus 1. Real part you can write together, that is x into x minus 1. From these two terms I common plus I common, y minus 1 into x minus 1 minus xy. What is I square value? Minus 1. Minus into minus plus y into y minus 1 by x minus 1 whole square plus y square. Split the numerator. Real part you can write together, x into x minus 1 plus y into y minus 1 by denominator, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y square plus I into, you have to multiply y minus 1 into x minus 1 into minus xy by, that is x minus 1 whole square plus y square. The total value is left hand side, what is it? Z minus I by z minus 1. What is the given condition? You have to find the locus of z if z minus I by z minus 1 is purely imaginary. Purely imaginary means real part of the complex number is 0. What is the real part you have? This total part is the real part. That value equal to 0 you can equate. We get the one equation. That equation is called the locus of z. So given z minus I by z minus 1 is purely imaginary. That means a real part of z minus I by z minus 1 equal to 0. What is the real part you have? X into x minus 1 plus y into y minus 1 by, what is the denominator you have? X minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 0. Denominator being the right answer, 0 and something 0. X into x minus 1 plus y into y minus 1 equal to 0. Expand, this is the x square minus x plus y square minus y equal to 0. So finally x square plus y square minus x minus y equal to 0 is a locus of z. Is a locus of z. Copy it. If anyone has a doubt, problems చెప్పేటప్పుడు మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్స్ వస్తే you can make a call to me. My number is 9703010007. Everyone knows that number. మీకు ఏమైనా డౌట్ ఉన్నా ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ నాకు కాల్ చేయండి నాకు. And you have to listen and subscribe my channel. Coming to next question, 6th bit nana 7th bit. Find the locus of z if mod of z minus a by z plus a equal to 1 is given. You have to take, let z equal to x plus I by be any point in the locus. Point in locus. What is given? Mod of z minus a by z plus a equal to 1. Denominator bring the right answer, that becomes a z minus a equal to mod of z plus a. What is z value? X plus iy. Substitute in this case mod of x plus iy minus a equal to mod of x plus iy plus a. Real part you can write together. So x minus a is a real part. So you have to write together mod of x minus a plus iy equal to mod of x plus a plus iy. What is the mod of x plus iy value? Whatever you mean, mod of x plus iy or mod of x minus iy value is, what is the value? How? Root of x square plus y square. Apply the real part whole square plus imaginary part whole square, both sides. X minus a whole square plus y square. Right side also you have to apply. So root of x plus a whole square plus y square. Squaring on both sides. X minus a whole square plus y square equal to x plus a whole square plus y square. Plus y square cancel. Expand, this is the x square plus a square minus 2x plus equal to x square plus a square plus 2x. A square is cancelled. Minus 2x in the right hand side, that becomes a 4ax equal to 0. 4a is not equal to 0, that means x equal to 0 is a y-axis. This means you have to observe this is the locus of the point is at a distance from the two fixed values is always lies on the y-axis. Always lies on the y-axis is the locus of z. Copy it. Next one. Z is x plus iy, you have to find. Let z equal to x plus iy. Be any point in locus. Mod z square, left hand side value you have to find, that is a mod of x plus iy whole square, root of x square plus y square whole square. Root 2 square cancels, this is the x square plus y square. Root 2 square you have to cancel it, we get x square plus y square. What is the right side here? 4 times of real part of z plus 2. Z plus 2 you have to find x plus iy plus 2. That is x plus 2 plus iy. Is given. The given, what is the condition is given? Mod z square equal to 4 times of real part of z plus 2. What is the mod z square value? You got it. And the chinna mod z square value? X square plus y square equal to 4 times of real part of z plus 2. What is the real part in the z plus 2? X plus 2. In the z plus 2, the term does not contain the I is called the real part. The term contains I is called the imaginary part. So ఇక్కడ ఎంత ఉందండి? I లేకుండా ఉన్నది x plus 2 కదా? X plus 2. So x square plus y square equal to 4x plus 8. 4x plus 8 taking left hand side, x square plus y square minus 4x minus 8 equal 0 is a locus of z. Copy it. Coming to next question, Anna. Find the locus of z mod of z plus I whole square minus z minus I whole square equal to. You have to take let z equal to x plus I, common shape, be any point in the locus. A locus. What is given? Mod of z plus I whole square minus mod of z minus I whole square equal to 2. What is z value have? X plus iy. X plus iy plus I whole square minus mod of x plus iy minus I whole square equal to 2. So this is a mod of x plus I common y plus 1. Mod of x plus I common y minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Mod of x plus iy means root of x square plus y square. Root of x square plus y plus 1 whole square into whole square minus this is the root of x square plus y minus 1 whole square equal to 2. Root 2 square cancel, we get x square plus y plus 1 whole square minus root square cancel, minus apply inside, minus x square minus of y minus 1 whole square equal to 2. X square answer. This is in the form of a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square. What is the formula of a plus b whole square minus of a minus b whole square? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus of a square plus b square minus 2ab minus apply inside 2ab plus 2ab 4ab will get. So this is a 4 into y into 1 equal to 2. The 2 1 are 2 2s are 2y equal to 1 is the locus of a z. Is a locus of a z. Copy it. Next 10th one, z square plus z bar whole square equal to is given. Z you can take the x plus iy. Let z equal to x plus iy be any point in the locus. Z square means x plus iy whole square. Z square means x plus iy whole square. Z bar means z conjugate. X plus iy conjugate is x minus iy whole square equal to 2. It is in the form of which form you have? A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square. What will you get? 2 times of a square plus b square. A plus b whole square plus a minus b whole square is 2 times of a square plus b square. So this is the 2 times of a square means x square plus iy whole square equal to 2. 2 get cancelled, that is x square plus I square y square equal to 1. What is the value of I square? I square is minus 1. So this is the x square minus y square equal to 1 is a locus of z. Is a locus of z. This is the answer. Copy it.